Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. I'm just going to do a really quick and impromptu Zara haul as I've just picked up a few new items from a quick shopping trip, and I'm also going to show you some new sunglasses that I picked up from Ray-Bans. So if you like the sound of that, please keep watching. So I went into store this time. I didn't shop online. I'm not going to have linked everything down below because I won't know where to find them on the website. So the first item is these really gorgeous copper sort of bronzy gold coloured shorts. I got these in a size medium and they were $17.99. I'm going to try all these items on for you so you will be able to see them on, but they are really cute and I thought they would be really nice paired with this little number. So I believe it's a swimming costume or a body, so I'm going to wear it as like a bodysuit, but it's just white. I got it in a size small. It was $12.99 and it's a nice deep V, and I think they're like bikini style, so not thong but not like, I don't think you would get too much VPO in this, so really loving that. So you can kind of see the two of these sort of paired up for a nice day like this. So this is the white bodysuit with the gold shorts. I'm not 100% on the white bodysuit. It kind of just makes me feel a bit broad up top, whereas the green one didn't. So I think I won't be keeping this. And also there's like a separation, like you can see the seam underneath. It's quite visible. So it's a shame because I love the colour. But it just wasn't working for that reason. The shorts also, like they don't do much for my shape. They're very comfy and they'd be great homeware, but I wouldn't spend this much on house clothes. So yeah, it's a shame because this could have been a really good outfit, but this is why it's good to like try stuff on and just get a feel for it. But yeah, this is what the bodysuit looks like at the back. And then just a close-up of the shorts. There's also like a little snag here on the thing, but this is what the shorts look like closer up. Then also got a similar bodysuit in this lovely sort of green colour, and that was also $12.99 and I got it in a size small. And then, what is this? This was a different, it's a bit more of a mature number for me, so I picked up this white kind of maxi skirt with these really cute sort of tortoiseshell buttons there. It's sort of asymmetrical, but like this with like the white bodysuit and then throw like the denim jacket over it with this next pair of shoes is a good look. So that was, I got in an extra small and it was $25.99. I got it in an extra small because the waist can be small and then I can just kind of let it flow like over the rest of my bigger body parts. But I got it to go with, I got a lot of these outfits because I feel they will go really well with these shoes, which are these leather sandals. They were $29.99. I got them in a size 6. They're just really simple, and for a day like today, now it's of course not raining, they would be perfect. Okay, so we love this outfit. So the skirt looks a lot better on. The only disclaimer is it is very see-through. So if I turn around, I don't know how much you can see, but it is hella see-through. The body, however, perfect fit, perfect cut. It's very booby, so I have quite small breasts, so I'm pretty safe. So I'd say if you are slightly larger on the sort of bust area, then size up a little bit, but otherwise we love. This is perfect for a summer day. Straw bag, you know, sandals. You're doing it well, in the words of LL Cool J. Then, because I have been missing one of these in my wardrobe, I picked up this denim jacket. I tried it on in a size small and then I tried it on in this medium size, which is the one I ended up going with, and I felt like there was more room in this and I could kind of wear it a bit more oversized, and it's just a little bit more forgiving. So, you know, if my arms ever get bigger, we can work with this. So that was £29.99. Then, because you can never have too many of these, I picked up this really cute black summery dress. So it is, it's very frilly. It's got like these really nice pleats in it. Are they called pleats? I don't know. Like crinkle pleats. I don't know if there's a technical term for this. Let me know. But I love the spaghetti straps. I love the length of it. I think this would be really cute with the denim jacket, actually. Okay, so we are a big fan of this dress. I got it in a size, I think it was extra small, I said, but it fits actually really nicely. It's not as short as I thought it was going to be, and it just feels really comfortable and airy. But now that I've got it, I just actually can't think of like anywhere that I'm going to wear it. And I feel like, oh, maybe I should have got it in another colour, so that yeah, I mean, black, you can never go wrong with black, but yeah, it's just like, okay, where do I go now? So yeah, it's cute. This is what the back looks like. Very simple, summery take on the LBD. And I have a little something to switch it up. So you can of course do this with like heels and like lots of bangles and like make it kind of like a dressed up number. And if you want to dress it down a little bit, you could do it with this denim jacket, which is also quite a vibe, I must say. So what I tend to do with my denim jackets is I always pop the buttons and roll up the sleeves. I never wear them with the sleeves all the way down. So there's a look. Let's do this one too. And I just love the fraying. In fact, I'll use this opportunity to show you the jacket now as well. So that's what it kind of looks like down. It's got this really nice like fraying on the sleeves, which distresses it nicely, so I don't have to do it because I wouldn't even bother. But yeah, now you've dressed it down, you've got like a really chilled outfit for, you know, like a nice sort of chilled day. And what this would go really great with is these sandals. So I feel like the gold on the gold chain on these really like jazzes them up. So you kind of get a cash outfit, but slightly more dressed up. So there's that. Then I've got a lot of summer like events and stuff. Well, I say summer events, but like little barbecues and bits and bobs there that I kind of need stuff to wear. So a lot of this stuff you'll see is very summery, so it's more of a spring summer haul than anything. So I picked up this sort of off the shoulder, but it has straps, off the shoulder number, Bardo style, really cute print, sort of yellow and beige and grey tones. Got it in an extra small, which in hindsight might not have been the best idea, but I just thought this would be really cute paired with some like light wash denim, and this was £25.99. Okay, so this floral print off the shoulder top. Now the jury's out on this one as well, I'm not gonna lie. I think I just expected it to look a little bit less, I don't know, it's a bit frumpy up front, and I kind of wasn't expecting that. I don't know if it's because of these buttons here, which is a shame because I like the material. It's like really nice and light, and obviously, you know, love getting the shoulders out. I feel like if it was just, you know, like this without the buttons, like and this sort of layer just went all the way around with no gap, then maybe it'd be better. But yeah, I don't know. This is a no from me, but it's a nice colour, and it doesn't wash me out too much. So yeah, shame, but what can you do? You win some, you lose some. Yeah. So I got this pink number just because I loved the hot pink of the that blazer dress that I tried on in my last Zara haul. So it looks like that. So just off the shoulder, oh, I'm holding it the wrong way, sorry. Off the shoulder, it's got this like knotting detail here, and you can kind of put this like right up, or you can sort of wear it slightly down. And I got it in a size small, and it was £29.99. Okay, so this pink top, I like it, but I don't know, I think there's something about the sleeve that I'm not sold on. So it's a really lovely colour, and it kind of ties up quite nicely at the back. Just kind of show you. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. But it's just this, I don't know, there just wasn't a lot of attention to detail on this shoulder bit, but it's a cute colour, and it's quite nice and form-fitting, but I just can't seem to make this bit work. And then last but by no means least, I got this really cute denim dress. I am dying to see this on because I feel like it's going to be really, really nicely tailored. It's quite short, it's quite risque, but you know, when the sun's out, I think you can get away with this kind of stuff. So I picked it up in size medium. It's $25.99, and it's just lovely. So we'll see. We'll see all these tried on. You will see those cutaways. Wow. Mixed thoughts on this. It's cute. It's really cute, but I just feel like it's a bit too young for me. It's a really good fit. I got it in a size medium, and I'm glad I did that now, because a small would have been extra tight. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below, because this is what it looks like at the back. Like, it's nice, but where am I going to wear this? I don't go to places where, you know, I can just whack this out and say, oh yeah, great number. But maybe I need to change that. Maybe I need to change that. But yeah, the fit's nice. It's cute. It's mini, but it's not too short for me. I think it's still quite conservative for a short dress. But I'm just not sure. Also, I'm not sure whether it's making me broader up top, which is never a bad thing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Then I got some new Ray-Bans. So you guys know that I have some in like the all black colour, and I wanted some that are smaller and that are a bit more summery. So I've got the style number if you want it here. It's the Ray-Ban Aviators. I will link them below if I can find them. But they come with this black case. And these are the ones I wanted originally when I was first shopping for Ray-Bans. So yeah, it's these. So they are in the smallest lens size with the gold rim and the clear sort of, I call them the shoulder bits. And they are just super cute. I sort of wore them out of the shop as well. But they just look like this. I feel like the aviator style of sunglasses suits my face shape. I think it's the only glasses that I sort of feel quite comfortable in. But yeah, really loving these. Love the gold rim. These will be definitely my holiday sunglasses. So I think the all black ones are really good if you're like trying to be incognito, like maybe you're going to the airport. And then these are really good for when you're actually out there. And then of course they came with the cleaning cloth as well as the care kit. So that is everything I bought today. It was a little pick-me-up, I'll be honest. Like, I've been feeling a bit, I don't know. I think it's because we've just moved and I'm trying to, oh, by the way, the Ray-Bans were $127. But yeah, I think it's because we've just moved and I'm still trying to kind of settle into the new place. Yeah, it's just, I normally like change, but there's just a lot of change. It's like moving and, you know, new job and there's like lots going on. So I kind of did that to sort of pick up my spirits, and it really has done that, I'll be honest. Retail therapy is a thing. Is there anything to update you on? Career update. Well, there's two books I've been reading, but one of them is a little bit more of a personal read, so I probably won't share it on here for a bit until I've kind of gone through it. But the first one is this book. So it is called Become a Product Marketing Manager and Earn $100,000+. It's by Decker Fraser, and he kindly sent me this book to kind of read and review, and I thought basically this would be a good opportunity to kind of do a career update for you guys. So as you guys know, I recently started a new job as a product marketing manager, and really kind of learning the ropes, sort of trying to figure out my way around how I guess it's your sort of standard more service related marketing translates into product marketing. So this book came at the perfect time. So I'll read the blurb at the back. I'm still reading it, so I can't give you a proper in-depth review, but I just wanted to pop it on here for you guys, just in case any of you are looking to get into product marketing. But he says in the back, "In this book, I'm going to teach you how to become a highly paid and competent product marketing manager. I'll combine my real-world experience and academic training to give you both a theoretical understanding of how product marketing works and a very practical explanation of how to get and do the job." So Decca Fraser is a veteran Silicon Valley product marketer who's worked for many tech companies, including Sony, PlayStation, Google-backed Rocket Lawyer, and venture-backed WebGility. He holds an MBA in marketing from the Kellogg School of Management. So, very knowledgeable guy, really lovely as well. Just in my email communications with him, and I'm going to read this and do like a full-on, like dedicated, in-depth book review, kind of telling you all about this. But product marketing, as far as marketing disciplines go, is really well paid. So if you're looking for an area of marketing to get into, definitely product is a good avenue to explore if you are motivated by income, which I feel like we all are to a certain extent. So I'm going to read this, give you guys a proper review of that. My battery's flashing red, so I better go. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your recent feedback on some of my most recent videos. I'm going to try and respond to comments today, so if you're watching this, I've probably responded to your comment in my last video. Otherwise, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!